نرجع تاني. Hello Google team, this is a demo for the Karar connector, project ID Karar 437104. I will demonstrate the full user journey and the need for the requested scopes. We log in. First, on the Karar platform, the user prepares spreadsheet data that they intend to visualize, and I am setting up the data source from here. Advanced, go to Karar, and here it appears this message. See all your Google Sheet spreadsheets. Continue. Then we get our link here. Then copy, paste, and add. Okay. Connect one spreadsheet. Now I move to Looker Studio to connect this data. I select Karar connector. This one here, authorize. I will now click authorize to initiate the OS grant process. Advance. Go to Karar. Continue. This will allow Karar to see all your Google Sheets spreadsheets, connect to an external service, allow this application to run when you are not present. Allow. Now I will select the Google spreadsheet I added here. Okay. Then connect. Then we create report. Okay, so we can give here, for example, like name. The connector has successfully fetched the data using the scopes. This confirms the integration is working as expected. Thank you. And also we have here, just for as the last thing, the name here is shown as the first one, and also this one here is the first one. So they are working as expected. Thank you.